Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a 3D model with Blender, full guide step by step clearly. Open Blender and create a new project. Familiarize yourself with the user interface. Take a moment to explore the 3D viewport. Locate the default cube in the scene. Select the cube and press the Tab key to enter edit mode. Use the G key to grab and move the cube to your desired starting position. Press S to scale the cube to your preferred size. To extrude, select a face and press E, move the new face to create depth or additional features. Use the R key to rotate the selected elements as needed. Switch between vertices, edges, and faces using the buttons on the left sidebar. If you need to loop select edges, hold Alt and click on the edge. To add more geometry, consider using the Loop Cut tool with Ctrl+R. Now, let's add a new object to our scene. Press Shift+A to bring up the Add menu. Select Mesh, and choose the shape you want to incorporate. Position the new mesh using the G key. Once in place, adjust its size with the S key if necessary. To apply materials, go to the Material Properties tab. Click New to create a new material for your object. Customize the color, roughness, and metallic attributes as desired. To see your material in view, switch to the rendered mode in the viewport. Experiment with different lighting setups for a better visual effect. To add a camera, press Shift+A and select Camera. Position and angle the camera to frame your model. Use the 0 key on the numpad to enter camera view. If you want to animate, select your object and press I to insert keyframes. Choose what you would like to animate, such as location or rotation. Move the timeline to a different frame, adjust the object's position, and insert another keyframe. For rendering, go to the Render Properties tab and set your desired resolution. Choose the output format and save location in the Output Properties tab. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.